Dot product or scalar product of two vectors. This is one of the most important topics. Dot product and vector product or cross product. As most of the numericals or most of the questions comes from this dot product or vector product, right? Now, dot product of or scalar product of two vectors is defined as the product of two vectors is equal to a b cos theta, where a, since a and b both are magnitude and cos theta is also scalar quantity, so in that case this gives you a scalar quantity. So dot product of two vectors is a scalar quantity having only magnitude and not direction. Now if we go to for its geometrical interpretation, let us consider a vector is a along horizontal axis, that it is represented by o p, and another vector is b at an angle theta, suppose. Now if I draw a perpendicular over it, let this is r, it is q, so this component will be b cos theta. So in that case we will write a dot b vector is equal to a dot this is a b cos theta, or that is equal to a b cos theta. And if we draw a perpendicular, this is b vector. If I draw a perpendicular from a side, a vector, so this component will be a cos theta. So again a dot b is equal to a cos theta into b, so again this is a b cos theta. So dot product of two vectors, which is represented by a dot b vector, is equal to a b cos theta, right? Now there are some important cases that when two vectors are parallel to each other. Now we will do it. First case, when two vectors are parallel to each other. In this case, a dot b is equal to a b cos of 0, because when two vectors are parallel to each other, the angle theta is equal to 0, so that is equal to ab. Now if we talk about the unit vectors along x, y and z axis, so in that case I dot I cap is equal to 1, since unit vector having magnitude 1, this unit vector having magnitude 1, so 1 dot 1 is 1 and cos 0 is again 1, so that is equal to 1. So similarly I dot I is equal to j dot j is equal to k dot k is equal to 1. When two vectors are at 90 degree to each other. Second case is when two vectors are 90 degree to each other. In that case a vector dot b vector is equal to a b cos 90 degree, so that is equal to 0, so a dot b is equal to 0. Now we know that when we are talking about the coordinate axis I, j and k, so I is perpendicular to j is perpendicular to k and k is perpendicular to I. Now if we are having same set of coordinate axis I, j, k, so in that case two perpendicular vectors product will be 0, that is I dot j is equal to j dot k is equal to k dot I is equal to 0. Similarly, third case, when two vectors are anti-parallel to each other. Anti-parallel to each other. In that case, a dot b is equal to a b cos 180 degree. Cos 180 is minus 1, so that is equal to minus a b, right? So in that case again I dot I, if we talk about, they are anti-parallel, or that equal to minus 1. So we will not write this as specifically, because that will create a confusion, but in that case diagrammatically we can understand one vector is I here and of another system this is I here, then in that case I dot I is equal to minus 1. So again it follows the associative laws and commutative law of two vectors, right?